Good morning everyone! So today, nagpa-appointment po ako sa isang general practitioner kasi meron akong napansin sa aking katawan. So I just want to share this one sa inyo and for my documentation para at least I know kailan ako nagpa-check up, ganun, and come to my journey kung ano yung sasabihin ng doktor. So, in our age, especially kapag ano na tayo, 20s to 30s, sorry sa manok, it is really important na magpa-general check-up tayo. Kung ano man yung ating makita or mapansin sa ating katawan, early detection is better. It's a good for a prevention. And ayun, so samahan niyo ako sa aking journey and see you. I'm here. So pasok na mi. This is the time that discussion with the general practitioner. So we're here on the IMate radiology. So the general practitioner requests a imaging for me. I'll share it next time. What is it? For the meantime, I'll just sharing the place that they refer to me. Okay, let's go inside. So I think from the mga 10 minutes drive. Going inside na. Ayun, so binigyan ako ng request. Nagpa-appointment ako next Tuesday kasi yun po yung day off. So before lunch, mag-ultrasound yung binigay sa akin. And also that day din fasting for the blood. So ayun, kinakabahan pero that's life and we just need to face the reality and I'll just update you soon. Thank you for now. Hello, good morning. So update, nandito ako sa laboratory. So tatanong ko kung meron silang bloods kasi in-order ng doktor na blood test and schedule ako ng imaging today. So hopefully meron sila dito para hindi na ako balik-balik. So schedule ko is 11:30 in the morning. Time check is 10:30. So, ayan ang itsura. Let's go inside and let's ask. Calvary Hospital. Meron daw ditong pathology. And papagawa ko ng bloods to. Yun, let's see. Walk lang. Turn right. So, done. I already done the bloods. And we're going back to IMED. Ito yung ultrasound and may reception. So, wala pa akong binabayaran at the moment. So, the results of the blood will be released on Thursday. So, magpapabook na lang ako ulit another appointment for one of the doctors. Natapos na nga yung ultrasound and mammogram and may result na. So, ang pinagawa sa akin ni doctor is to check yung nakapako pa lang bukol. So, I feel a bukol on my upper side of my left breast. And then, in-urgent niya akong papuntahin sa kanyang office today kahit nag-work ako. So, siningit niya ako at diniscuss niya yung resulta. So, ang resulta is
a bit suspicious daw yung bukol na nakapako. So I need to, they want to do a further investigation such as biopsy. So I need to schedule it tomorrow because it's urgent and because it's suspicious daw. So yun na nga. And the blood results naman is all normal except for I'm candidate for anemia. It's called a thalassemia related to anemia nga. But I just need to monitor my iron blood. So ganun. If I need to monitor if I get fatigue early or pagod ako agad, ganyan. So, kahit luckily I'm working in the day surgery and I'm grateful that kahit paano they support if I need to go. So it's my first time to go home a bit earlier than my actual out time. Dito po sa Australia, meron na tinatawag na Medicare. Ang Medicare, yun yung parang public, healthcare na makaka-discount ka or sometimes it's free, especially depending for your eligibility. So, yung binayaran ko dun sa mammogram at saka sa ultrasound is only half. So, instead of 637 Australian dollar, I just paid around 300 plus. So, they rebate another 300, which is good. It's not totally free, but somehow, it's really helpful because maganda yung kanilang services and quality and organized. So now, the next step is the biopsy. Syempre, kinakabahan ako and it's my first time to do all these things. And I just want to record this one for myself and the actual feeling that I am nararamdaman. I'm a bit nervous and afraid, normal human reaction sa ganitong sitwasyon. But one thing is for sure, I will keep praying, I keep believing what God wants me to do, and I'll update you guys. So, yun na. Catch up soon.
Referral for the specialist. So, mayroon ako, ang gagawin po sa akin is ipabiopsy ang aking breast later on. So, hindi ko kasi sure kung pwede mag-video yung before. Pero, yun, just an update. And, 15 minutes bago mag-start, dapat nandun na for preparation and fill up ng mga form, especially pag first time. So, ayun. So, 15. Okay, well, see you later. So, I'm here waiting sa mammogram and then they will do ultrasound, left breast and core biopsy, mammography with tomography unilateral post marker. So, I'm here in the waiting area and the staff will guide me for the next step. So, I already went to the reception earlier. So, update. I just finished my biopsy yesterday sa Imaging Associates here sa region kung saan ako nakatira. And then, it takes maybe 5 to 7 days for the result. And I have appointment scheduled for the specialist next week, Wednesday. So, cross finger, in God's will and in God's mercy, the result, hopefully, we claim it na hindi siya cancerous. So, advice sa mga
ladies na as early as possible kapag meron kayong makita or maramdaman na palpable sa inyong breast or kahit anong pagkakaiba sa nakita nyo or nakapa nyo sa inyong katawan, better consult earlier. And prevention is better than cure. So, I think yung mammogram starts at the age 35 ba or 30? Or basta pagtungtong ng 30, magpa-health check na kayo, mag-blood test, ganyan. Kasi also dun sa blood test ko, nalaman na mild anemic ako. So, yung anemic na yun parang inherited daw. So, hindi ko pa nasabi sa family ko, hindi ko pa naasa mama ko kung may history kami ng cancer or whatever. Because syempre, as malayo sa pamilya, I don't want them na mag-alala. So, hopefully, sa awa ng Diyos, all the results will be within normal at may treatment na pwedeng gawin. So, ang hirap pala, no? Kapag, syempre, nasa ibang bansa ka and then na-diagnose ka with something, of course, ang kalaban mo is your trust sa sarili mo, yung faith mo, pero dito mo din malalaman kung sino yung mga taong andyan para sa'yo. Ayan, teary-eyed. Yan, syempre, of course, ito, kaya ako dinodocument kasi God moved mysterious way. There's a lot of instances talaga na mararamdaman mo na nandyan si God, nandyan si Jesus, always supporting you and always sending people to help you. So, next story time na lang yung since I arrived here in Australia. So, for now, ito yung aking kwento. So, waiting ako for the results. Ang cost pala nun, balik tayo, is, ang nabayaran ko is 1,100 Australian dollar. Tapos, mayroong rebate sa government. Yung government nila dito na parang health insurance is Medicare kapag temporary resident. So, ayun, mag-rebate sila ng around 600 po ata. So, i-deposit na lang nila yun kapag na-confirm na. So, at least somehow, hindi masyado mabigat sa bulsa. Pero, of course, grateful sa lahat ng blessings na kahit nakakaranas ako ng ganito, nakakaranas kami ng mga challenges, we still able to have a financial stable, like we don't have any debts. Yun ang importante. Alam nyo, sometimes may isip mo na you don't need a lot of friends. You don't need to tell everyone that you're in that area, on that era of your life na nangyari to. You just need to trust yourself, trust the process, believe, have faith, and pray more. So, dito muna tayo. I'll get back to you next week for my appointment for my specialist. See you!
Hello, magandang araw. Just for update, bukas po yung aking appointment for the specialist for the breast. So, nagawa ko po yung biopsy last week, Tuesday. So, tomorrow, Wednesday, I have appointment around 2:30 ng hapon. And then also, meron ako na-receive na email from the visa application for the medical. Kasi kasabay po yun, nag-apply po ako ng visa. So, syempre, kailangan po natin i-disclose lahat ng medical related kaysa naman they found out, diba? So, better na tayo na lang mag-open. So, they sent email na they deferred that one. So, for the meantime,
they cannot decide. They just need a result from the specialist, and then the specialist will write it down yung details, yung physical findings, your diagnostic, yung history, and if I am fit to work for 5 to 10 years. So they want to know how good yung kung kaya ko mag-work. Syempre, di ba, kung magiging permanent resident dito, they don't want na maging burden sila. Kasi, di ba, dagdag pa. Anyway, we just keep praying and have faith that God will do the rest. We could just do what we can. So, ayun, I'm just sharing my journey, and hopefully tomorrow we found out the good results, and I will update you to my journey. So, that's all for today. Bye!
Hello! So today is the day that I'll have appointment sa isang doctor, sa specialista for the breast. And meron na din kasing result, and siya po mag-explain ng details.
Approaching school
Ayun, sorry,
zone.
ingay. So, ayun, school zone na kasi. Anyway, ayan, ayun, let's see, and hopefully, okay naman ang resulta, and let's wait for the discussion. So, dumaan muna kami sa church, and punta na kami dun sa kanyang office today. Nasakto naman. Ay, nagpa-request pala ako ng day off ko today. Buti na lang yung
You have entered a school
workplace
zone.
ko is very flexible at the moment. So, ayun, medyo ano lang ako ng onte. Nag-foundation para hindi mukhang pasyente. Okay, later. Bye. So, your surgeons. Ayan. Pasok na tayo. Bawal ata mag-video sa loob. So, yun. Walk muna tayo. Yan. Tingnan ang itsurang kinakabahan. So, nag-park lang kami sa labas. And, let's see. Nag-aga ako ng mga 15 minutes earlier. Baka may i-fill up. Okay, bye.